It is 8 o'clock in the morning on August 14th, 2024. And I've got some thoughts. There are days that you wake up in your bed in a normal day. Everything is normal. And you go about your day having no idea that your life is going to change. Maybe it's a health situation. Maybe it's something really great happens. Whatever. But you wake up that day not knowing that that day your life is going to change forever. And then there are days that you wake up and you know. So, March 31st of 2007, I woke up in my college dorm room and went about my day, hung out with my friends. I have no idea what I did that day, but it was a normal day. And the next day was going to be normal. The next day was April Fool's Day. Life was normal. And I did not know when I woke up on March 31st, 2007, that my life was changing forever on that day, because I did not know that my home that I lived in with my parents since I was 8 years old was going to burn down. But it did. That night, it burnt down. It burned to the ground. We lost almost everything except for our lives and our dog. And then everything changed and everything was chaos and I didn't understand it, and it took a while. But after a while, you rebuild and you get to a new normal and life is normal again, but it's never the same as it was before that event. And it can be better, it can be worse, whatever. But there is no denying that there is a change. Now, in the short term, it was terrible when the house burnt down. But in the long term, there were so many blessings. And still to this day, I can see how God has provided for things to happen to this day from that fire. And then there are days when you maybe don't sleep so well because you know when you wake up that life is going to change. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're sad. Today is one of those days. It is good. I am tired though, so I don't know how I'm going to get through it. But today my life changes. Today, my family's life changes. Now it's not an immediate, everything is different, but life is going to be chaotic for a little while. And then we will find new routines and a new normal, and life will change. And I know that it will be for the better. But in the short term, it's going to be crazy and chaotic. And that's where I'm at right now. I am on my way to finalize the purchase of our new home. In town. My parents have not lived in any town for over 30 years. Things are going to change. Routines are going to change. Habits have to change. It all changes today. But that doesn't mean that tomorrow we wake up in a new house and everything is immediately a new normal. So, I am excited. I am terrified. But mostly, I am excited and thankful and grateful to God, because this was not my plan. I had hoped and daydreamed at getting my parents in town and closer and being able to change some things in our life to make it better, but I never thought it would happen. And it wouldn't have without him. So that's where I'm at right now. And in a little while, a second for you and an hour or two for me, my world changes. And the next... Oh, they were cutting down a tree. Anyway, things are about to change, guys. Come along with me. Guys, Mama, get your head in here. We are almost home. It's not home yet. Well, we own it now, though. Now I just got to figure... Oh, they did get the yard mowed. Yay. I got to figure out which clicker thing unlocks the doors. Okay, guys. This is our new house. Well, part of it. We've already met the neighbor. She stopped as we were unloading and said hi. So that's exciting. Nice neighbors. We have a 2-car garage. I'm going to take you in. I'll go through the front door, which we probably won't ever use, but this needs fixed. The railing needs fixed. We're probably going to take out all those bushes. I know they're beautiful, but they're too close to the house. This deck is not even, so we'll probably put some landscaping in there at some point and put a deck, a porch out here. It's going to get dark in here because there is no overhead light in the 19th. Okay, Dad, I'm filming. I got to figure out how to turn the air conditioner on. 1970s paneling and carpet, like I said. The big window. Guys, I haven't done a walkthrough yet. You'll get a mostly empty house walkthrough. The only thing we put in there was a chair and a table and a lamp. But I'm exhausted. We had to meet the contractor to get plans started, and so I'm taking Mom and Dad. We're going to lunch. Then we'll come home. I'll take them home. Then I'll come back because I gotta go get the kiddos and show them the house. Because let me tell you something. Jen's youngest. When I first said the beginning, when we decided that we were gonna move, I told them to pray for a house, and he has prayed for me to have a new house every single day. And if someone asked, does he have a prayer request during church, he prays for Hannah to get a new house. So this afternoon I am going to go get him and show him what prayer can do. I'll do a tour then, maybe. So starting from the garage door now, this is the kitchen. That upper cabinet and that lower cabinet, which you can see has already been moved, is actually going to go someplace different. I'll show you later. We were originally going to paint all of the paneling, but we decided, I think we decided not to paint this paneling. And we're going to do a tile-like floor from the kitchen through the hallway. And the only rooms that are getting painted are the living room, which I already showed you. And these walls are getting painted, and we'll put a hardwood vinyl type flooring down. This will be the same flooring as the kitchen. The bathroom will be the same flooring as, this isn't the bathroom, this is the laundry room. That's the bathroom, which will be the same flooring as the kitchen. And it's going to get a complete remodel. So you guys will see that. And then these 2 bedrooms will be painted and have the same flooring as the living room. We have these windows are beautiful and absolutely amazing. The fans are unique. Mom, this round mirror is not going to be big enough in there. We are about to go shopping for flooring. I ordered the new tub today, but that's the house portion. Well, that's this house portion. So when you come through the house and you go into the garage, you have to be careful because this door will totally slam very loudly. There's another door. And that door leads to my favorite and least favorite. I love this. I love this enclosed walk space. It's completely enclosed. It's extremely hot right now. I've got to get some moisture. I don't like that it's not actually completely enclosed. It's kind of filthy right now. I think I'm going to take a power washer to it. But this is a fully enclosed space that we fully intend to line with every kind of plant we can. Monsteras. This is going to be my walk through jungle. Throwback. Don't know why they had a TV there, but they did. But this opens up into this. Oh, it feels so good in here. This actually isn't a very well air-conditioned space, but it is well insulated. Here, I'll show you this first. Welcome to my bathroom, which makes me feel like it needs to get sprayed down too. So this is all getting changed. I think that a vanity is going to go there and a shower is actually going to go there. Toilet will stay where it's at, but this wall will be drywalled and redone. I mean, it's usable. Just not what I want. And that fixture is definitely getting changed. Might donate it to the Rosie kids. Jen's kids would love it. So this first piece of furniture in the house, I bought that from Jen. This area is going to be my kitchen. I'll have a sink there. Stove probably there. I don't know. Where the water heater is, we'll do a closet with washer dryer hookups. That's a big sliding door. I'll show you the other side of that later, but that will be a regular door. And then all underneath these stairs is going to be closed off, so it is going to make this room smaller. But this is all going to be closet. It's going to be storage for my balloon business. Ugh, I think it just walked into a spider web. But this will come all the way back here. So you'll be sitting right about here if you're in the corner of my couch and looking into my living room and then my island and kitchen. Now, I'm going to take you upstairs and then I'll take you outside. These stairs I have to get redone, but up here is a space that's hotter. It needs to be because it's not completely closed off. So this will be finished up. All of this plywood comes down. Oh, I did not ever notice that wood. Don't tell my dad that wood is here. This is going to be bedroom. So this section, this area, from about there over, is going to be my bedroom, and I'll probably put the door to it right here, and then right next to it will be a much smaller secondary bedroom, which Terracin has already cleaned bunk beds, but I think he's cleaned bunk beds in like 3 different spots. So this area will all be dark room. I'll put my desk up here. Thinking a projector TV, a couch. This is a whole nother living area. So, and somebody tell me, what do you do with the ceilings? Because I really don't want to enclose them, but I'm not exactly sure what to do with them. I need to bring my current neighbor out here and ask him. They built a closet up over here, which isn't a bad idea, but is probably not going to stay there. So this is my portion of the house. Let's go back downstairs. Can't wait till these are fully supported and enclosed here. Evan was coming up to this step and jumping out, which was 100% what I thought he would do. And then one last area to show you. And I think this is Jen's husband's favorite part of my property. And that is this huge, that's a 15-foot door, I think. Did I say huge? That may be a 20-foot door. Huge shop. So this part is going to remain a shop. I'm going to put a work area back there. All of the plywood that's on the walls in here will at some point be taken down and become where I'm doing drywall. Hold on. So all of this plywood will be taken down and it'll be drywalled in. And when it is, all of this plywood I am keeping, and I will turn into who knows what. Shari arches, archways, caricatures, I don't know. Whatever people want. So that is all for this video. Oh, that's lovely lighting. Welcome to my new home. This is the next day. I was exhausted yesterday. So exhausted. So I'm immediately going to start filming the next video, probably. I may take some clips of our shopping, because that's what we do next. We shop. We shop for flooring. We shop for vanities for mom and dad's side. I already purchased today their new walk-in tub, so they will have that. I talked to the contractor yesterday, and he will be starting tearing out their flooring in the main house next week, and we do have foundation issues that will be repaired at the end of this month, and so we should be moving in, at least to their part, beginning of September, middle of September, I don't know. We shall see. Like this video if you like it, subscribe if you haven't, give me all your color and tile suggestions, whatever you've got, and I will see you in the next one.